Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to get LinkedIn Premium for 3 months and Adobe Express for 1 year. So Adobe Express, I have got to know this way through one of my close connections, and LinkedIn Premium, I have already, I have explored a few days back. Okay. So you can just see this right here. This is my Airtel Thanks app. So for getting it, what you need to do is to just have an Airtel SIM. Even if there is anybody in your family who is having an Airtel SIM, just use that. Okay, all you need to do is just to use your number. You will be asking an OTP, insert it, and then just get into your Gmail ID. Okay, you can just see here. So I have clicked on all. Top side you can see all Wi-Fi postpaid EMI card. I have clicked on all. Okay, you can just see this right here. They'll highlight, you can see this red line, claim free Adobe Express Premium. So I'm clicking on third option, that is claim OTTs and more. Okay, just click there. Here you will be able to see three things. First is Airtel Extreme Play. If your TV is connected to Airtel Extreme, just get it. Right now I'm going to talk about Adobe Express Premium. Just click there. You can see validity 15th March 2027. That is, I have already today I have claimed it. So it will be valid till 15th of March 2027. That is 1 year. Okay, just click. Let's click there. Okay, you just need to get it. There would be an option called claim. You just need to click there and then you need to get into it. So for me, I have further process. I've done it in my laptop. So let me just get you to my laptop. Okay, then we'll move forward with it. Now you can see my laptop right here. You can see this premium member. If I'm clicking there, so I can access all premium content. Okay, you can see content, template, whatever things are there, video, remove object, insert object, generate image. So everything is there that I can do. Now you can see under this I can also use Adobe Home, Firefly, Express, Photoshop, Lightroom, Acrobat, stock fonts. Everything is there that I can use. So this is premium member. So like this will provide, or say if you'll get into your Airtel Thanks app, you'll get Adobe Express Premium, and inside it you can explore multiple tools. Okay, now let's just get into one more thing. I'll tell you the link and you just need to get into that link. Okay, so link is adobe.com/benefits. So link is adobe.com/benefits. I'll send this link to you. Make sure if you are using your laptop, so in one window, if you have already activate your say sign in or with your Adobe Express, then if you will open another window and if you'll run this link, or if you'll click on this link, or if you'll insert this link, you will be able to get into same account. So this is my premium account, right? And as I have already logged in right here, so I have just put this link. Okay, click there and you can see this here. Now you will be able to see all benefits. It's not just about LinkedIn, it's all about a lot of more tools that if you want, or if you feel that it will be helpful for your work, you can just use it. Okay, let's just start with it. You can see from here it's Flickr. First is Flickr storage, full resolution image, uploads ad free browsing, advanced stats and more. Okay, then Adobe font is there, Adobe stock is there. So you can just see this stock is there, Adobe font is there. All you can just explore it from here. Okay, 250 generative credits per month, that is Firefly. Then step by step tutorials, then for more AI model options, model that is it's also inside Firefly. Then creative cloud libraries. Now you can see LinkedIn Premium is there. It's like 3 months, 3 free months of LinkedIn Premium career. Advance your career with LinkedIn Premium. See who's viewed your profile, mark top choice jobs, learn from over 24,000 of online courses and more. So if you are into a career, or if you are looking for a job, if you are studying or something, then you can just redeem it and get into it. It is of no use for me because I'm into business. So if they will be providing all in one, or say business, then I will surely get it. But this can be for you, like for very much beneficial for you. So if you want it, just get it. Next is Adobe Color. You can just see this 50% Dropbox plus, Adobe Events, 100 GB cloud storage, 1 month free, 40% off Skillshare. There are a lot of things you can just see. Discord is also there. So Discord is a community platform where you can build your community. Behance is there. Okay, So all these are premium. You'll get it: Adobe Live, Adobe Creative Mornings, Adobe Digital Academy, Adobe Summit, Adobe Max, Adobe Certified Professional Program. You can also get into it. Creative Cafe, WeTransfer. Okay, WeTransfer is move creative assets, large file, whole folders, and entire projects at the click of a button with this discount and annual plans for first time customers. Upskills. Okay, you can see this: 3 months of free access to upskills. Choose from a range of self-paced online courses and certification subjects like photography and graphic designing. Okay, if you want to learn something, you can just get into this. Zoom is also there. Partner perks, 20% off Zoom Workplace. It's like they'll provide you some percentage, some discount. Okay, get 50% off at Printful. It's not that. Here you can see Kazabi, 30 days free plus 50% off Kazabi. Turn your creative talents into a thriving business. Okay. Members enjoy a 30-day free trial plus 50% off Kazabi's Kickstarter plan for the first 6. I think most of them are not so much of useful for us, but still there is something that you can surely, especially LinkedIn. Okay, you can just go for LinkedIn, and if you're in business, you can just explore Discord too, because it's a nice place or to build community, or like maybe to build good network. Behance is also there that you can get into. Okay, Behance is also good, maybe to get job, to get opportunities or something. So yeah, this is all about I wanted to talk about. So yeah, I hope this will be helpful for you. At least you can get Adobe Express for 1 year, and you can also see LinkedIn Premium for 3 months for career option, if it is eligible in your region, or if you are available, or if you are able to, if it is there, if it is there in your region or you are able to access it, then just enjoy it for 3 months. So yeah, just use your sim, and if anybody in your family is having the sim, just use it and explore it. I hope this video is going to be very much helpful for many of you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Keep on hyping for my videos. If you want me to come up with any topic, I will be covering that topic too. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.